What the fuck? What the heck? La Luna, is that you? Ang intense. The Mask. Pablo. Gigi. Oh my god. Hi guys. So for today, I will be reacting to SB19 and Julin's emoji music video. So I am very much excited for this because for the past few days, na busy ako sa school kaya hindi ako nakapanood nito at nakapag-react. So I'm excited for this. So what to expect? My expectation is, of course, high quality music video because, you know, that's SB19. Kaya ko ba? Okay. Okay, 1Z. Warning, this video potential triggers. Talagang akala ko yung warning ganun, na warning magsisimula agad. Wala man lang pasabi ha. SB19, natakot ako dun. Okay, ay papi. Okay, emoji. Oh, Julen. Visuals. I like this part already. My god. Okay. Pablo, let's go. Oh my god, Pablo, that's my... Hello, Stel? Alam mo yung feeling di ka pa naka-move on kay Pablo tapos papasok si Stel. What the heck? You guys... And Stel? What's that? Ano yan? A metal case? Sorry guys. Okay, Pablo. Stel. Ano yan? But kahit ano man yan, I'm loving it. Slay. Look at that muscles. Your biceps. Bro, you're huge. Okay. Okay. Ken, you did not. Nakakover pa rin yung pagmumukha mo. You know what? One thing that I really want to see is, you know, just Ken's visuals. Kasi alam niyo naman, pogi ang sisiw natin, ha? Just like yung, alam niyo yung kalakal na music video na talagang fully covered siya. But this time, at least, buhok lang at saka mata yung nakakover. But alam niyo naman, yung visuals ni Ken, what if hindi yan covered? Hindi, wala. Laglag na panty na. Josh, let's go! Are you vampire? I like your hair. Justin, yo, bad boy era, let's go. What the fuck? Is it necessary? Not really. Justin? From good boy to... Oh my god. This is crazy. I like it. Yes, you are. See that face. You're beautiful. What the heck? La Luna, is that you? I like that effect, you know, the distortion, the... Ang galing. Kung sino man gumawa nito. Parang La Luna lang, di ba? Okay. What's up, what's up, what's up? I like the choreo. Guys, the choreo, and look at Stell's arm. I cannot with this choreo. This is too good. We don't deserve this, guys. It's been wait, dito pala. Okay. The lights, the visuals, the camera works. It's giving international. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's up, what's up, what's up? Okay, Mother Julin. You know, guys, it's so funny because nung nalaman ko na may collaboration sila, I immediately searched Julin on Google, and she's 45 years old. Pero yung she looks 19 or 20. What the heck? She's too pretty. I like her flow, her outfit. Okay, okay. Okay, Mother, give us everything. Okay, I like that. Parang, okay. Lambutin mo. Okay, Ken, let's go. Oh, parang bagay sila ha. Okay. Oh my God, andyan na sila lahat. I really like this effect. You know, the effects sa shades niya. Okay. What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh my God, I didn't know na super galing pala ni Julin sumayaw. Like, nakikipagsabayan siya sa SB19. And look at her. What's up, what's up, what's up? This part, guys. Stell, is it? Bro, your pecs. Look at your pecs. Justin, baby no more. Parang hinihypnotize ako. Parang, sige. Ang intense. The Mask, Pablo. Parang, sige. Nagkulungan ako, go. What the? Oh my God. This bridge, this part, super ganda, super energetic. It feels, it's well done, well made. Ang galing. Yes. Ramdam mo yung passion, the energy, you know what I mean? What's up, what's up? Yes. Yes. Wait. This is too good and it's gonna end. I don't want, guys. Ayoko matapos. Wait. Ayoko matapos. Wait, isa pa please. Sorry. I have no words. Super ganda. I love it. SB19 wins! Yo guys, the message of the song, perfect. The visuals, perfect. Hair and makeup, perfect. And the dance moves, choreo, 1000, perfect. Stream emoji, stream wakas and simula. Yeah. Because they deserve the world. I don't know if makapunta ako sa Lollapalooza sa Chicago, and I hope may ticket pa ba. I'll be probably working summer job, but let's see, and let's support SB19 and stream guys, kasi ako na bumili na ako ng sa iTunes to support them. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.